In the bustling heart of West LA, a beacon of hope shines brightly for those caught in a frustrating web of PC and network dilemmas. Meet Daniel Zivetz, your knight in shining armor from West LA computer expert, ready to vanquish those tech dragons. Daniel is not just any tech specialist. He's a seasoned veteran whose career has mirrored the evolution of personal computing. His arsenal is filled with not just tools and software, but with wisdom and insights that come only with time. When you opt for Daniel Zivetz, it's not just a service you're getting, it's peace of mind. Renowned for his lightning-fast responses and a problem-solving prowess akin to Sherlock Holmes, Daniel turns tech troubles into distant memories. Imagine a world where computer and network issues dissolve before they can disrupt your day. This is the reality that Daniel offers, effortlessly navigating through tech complexities to ensure your digital life is seamless. Why should tech glitches drain your energy and steal your time? Under the guidance of Daniel at West LA computer expert, technological woes are transformed into opportunities to enhance your digital experience. Standing at the crossroads of digital despair and technological tranquility, the choice is clear for a life of less frustration and more freedom. Choosing Daniel Zivetz for all your PC and network needs propels you into the serene side of tech. But Daniel's expertise doesn't stop at solving issues. He's about elevating your tech lifestyle to heights you never thought possible, turning everyday glitches into gateways for improvement. The reality Daniel crafts is one where your tech life runs as smoothly as a well-oiled machine, from troubleshooting networks to unraveling software puzzles, all with an ease that belies the complexity beneath. In the hands of Daniel Zivetz, technology no longer intimidates. It becomes a tool for freedom, a canvas for innovation, and a gateway to a hassle-free digital life. Every solved issue is a step towards a future where your digital life isn't just about keeping pace, it's about soaring to new technological heights, guided by the expertise of a true PC wizard. Let's face it, in a world where technology is entwined with every aspect of our lives, having a tech hero like Daniel is not just a luxury, it's a necessity for navigating the digital age with confidence and ease. And as this journey through tech tips and tricks continues, remember the transformative power of true tech mastery. Subscribe to our channel for more discoveries, guided by Daniel Zivetz, your bastion of digital peace in West LA. Here's to a future of seamless tech experiences together.